So Ryan, where we at?
So we're at Mo's place, but I don't know the exact. I don't know. I haven't. What's the name of y'all's place?
Mo's Customs.
Mo's Customs. Okay. So today we're at Mo's Customs, and my buddy Mo, which I met through Sean, they do badass forged wheels, and Sean got some wheels made for his donk that was in SEMA. So over there, we talked to him. Was like, hey, Cherish just got this.
Yeah.
And she's been working real hard, and so we got her a new Escalade. And the factory wheels of the new Escalade suck. They're just, I don't know, man. They just seem really plain to me. So we got with Mo. Mo made us some wheels, and we got some 24s for it, and we got some Ditto tires, and we're gonna try to make this thing look a little better. We got little ride height adjusters for it. So the little adjustable arms for the air suspension that's on it. Push the emblem in the center. Oh, wow. Yep.
Boom. And this is how we ship.
Yeah,
We got them all
so
over here.
this is how we got them all here. Is we wrapped them all in blankets so we didn't mess the interior
Get your bag out first.
Yeah. Okay.
Some fresh Nittos.
Yep. Got the fresh Nittos. Everything's kind of a tight fit. Yeah, so we're getting them put on today.
Hey, GPS is on YouTube.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay, so is that set up with you? No, I mean it is lower, huh?
No, it's lower. Yeah, for sure. It lowered it about 2 inches all the way around.
And these are 22s?
These are 22s. It don't really ride bad. We had all of this in it, loaded down.
So when we got at the gas station, it was leveling itself
It
back
was-
out
yeah.
after we all got out of it.
Yeah. We're Mo, can we check out one of the wheels? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You've been doing this for a minute, huh, Mo?
Oh, years, yeah.
Years. I see all the spacers and lug nuts and yeah.
Sure, you excited for this?
So excited.
Years and years, yep. They're done. They're done. Get the black wheels out.
What's up, buddy?
So Sean.
Feels so good being home, right?
I don't really know. I haven't had a chance yet. So, and I fly to Boston tomorrow.
So racks and racks. Look at all these forged wheels.
Yes, just everywhere.
Where are they? I wonder where they manufactured at.
Here.
In the back.
No.
We'll take it back out. That's crazy. Yeah, absolutely.
No, I've done a tour of this whole place and watched them make wheels. And
This is crazy, dude.
no, I think they make everything but the hoops. I think that there's only one company in the country, I believe, that makes hoops.
Look at them.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are sick. Yeah.
If you're gonna do a crazy color, it'd be something to do.
That's the color that.
Yeah, you can hear the mill back there running.
I just heard it. I didn't notice it.
Stop walking. Somebody trying to stop with a brush.
Ooh.
Nice.
I do.
Polish.
Yeah, when they
Yeah.
wipe them down.
Yeah. What do you think, Chris?
Absolutely.
That's what you want?
Yes.
You like? Them are gonna look good. Yeah, they look good.
They were boxed up. I thought you guys was gonna just pick them up.
Oh. Sean didn't communicate with you, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, it's better for us so we can make a video.
Yeah, that's cool. That's kind of what we want to do too. Like we thought it. We're doing this because we want y'all to get some love too. So we're gonna put it on our YouTube channel and everything. So.
He texted me earlier. He said we'll be there at 2 o'clock. So I'm relaxing at the house. I'm off today. you know?
Yeah.
And then he texted me like, what was it, at 12:10? I think like, oh, we'll be there in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Shit, okay,
You're
let
like,
me get
"Oh,
with it.
hell." Yeah. That sounds like Sean. I ain't gonna lie to you. He kind of does things at the last minute.
All right, so let's check
We're
them out.
still ready.
Yeah, let's get 4 new sensors, and then the tires are back there. It's ready now. Okay.
Tires are already out. Tires are already out.
Dang.
And then if we want, we can have them cut up a matching steering wheel.
Ooh.
I like my purple.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Sean's donk has
The same.
the same steering wheel as his wheels, which does look cool, but you wouldn't do it on it.
Right, maybe Ryan will do that on his daily driver car.
Well, we just got here. We're at Moe's.
This is where they actually come in from the finisher.
Yeah.
Like brushing, and then goes to paddock, would come out from paddock.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
And then,
So all the centers sit here, and then you probably assemble them.
yeah, we got a guy who assembles them
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Well, he spends money on good machines. Here, I got it.
Dang, that's cool. How long does this machine take to cut up some center?
If you did it like that particular one, it's been on it about an hour and 34 minutes. And it's still going, so.
How many CNCs you got?
We got 5 reviews, and I got 3 more ever ones though. So we got about 8, including 2 lathes, so about 9 machines.
Run 24? Do they run 24 hours a day?
Kinda, because like, see, I have 2 chocks in it.
Yeah.
Right before we leave, and we set them up at night, and then we're running.
Okay.
Yeah. But we don't do it on like a night shift.
Yeah, right. So right before you leave, you let it work by itself.
Exactly.
And then when you come in the morning, they're done.
Yeah. Each machine takes 2 reels, and they get finished overnight.
That's cool.
Easy process. Set it up, just download the program, and go. And you come back to this machine about 4 hours later to replace it. That's what all the very part of the finishing. We do everything we do is a hand. You know, like little tools, hand brush. You don't get that. No machine can finish that kind of stuff. So that's what those people doing are they sanding everything by hand and doing it.
Like the edges and stuff like that?
Everything, yeah.
Okay.
It's made how you see what they do. So you see this little fine line right here? They have to do that by hand. And also when people get all brushed, like literally that's what she's doing right now. You see? I brush every little detail, so everything is by hand. That's what we takes the time to do. So all the tape ones, they already brushed it. From this, it goes to this machine, and he's brushing the face. And then from there, it goes to the cleaner and powder coater. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing? That's what it comes to. This is the forge. We get it from the forge company, and we get a different size. And then we're weighing it in this, and then we also put it on this lathe. So both of the lathe, each one do one side. I'm gonna do inside and outside and get the shape we need. And from here, it goes to the rest of the machine.
Pretty cool. Yeah, that's fucking badass right there.
That's a huge.
I don't think I've seen one that big.
Wild.
Crazy. So what's the biggest wheel you do?
34.
34. That's crazy.
We do a lot of dualies and off-road. 30 by 16. Big old lifted trucks.
30 by 16. Look at this wheel.
This side wasn't open last time I
No,
did.
yeah, I had
30 by 16.
Well,
How
crazy is that?
16 what? How heavy is that wheel?
It's pretty heavy. I bet maybe like, I don't know, maybe like 50, 60 pounds.
Damn.
Times 4.
That's a one.
Times 4. Times the tires.
Yeah.
Stock brakes.
One piece wheel. That's a one piece wheel. Golly. What crazy is that? Is crazy. So are the 34s one piece?
No, 34s mostly is, the biggest on the one piece we do is 30 off-road and 30 dualies, you know. The rest of them is 3-piece, yeah. We make either way you want it. We write both on with adapters, whatever they want.
So it's running these wheels right now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on this side. Let me see that. That's cool.
That's one of the older mills. We do not have a thing on the caps,
Gotcha.
steering wheel horn, a lot of small stuff we went on this.
So what? I kind of know just a tiny bit of the story, but what got you doing this?
Man, I've been doing this past, what, about 21 years though?
Yeah.
And I used to buy wheels from people, you know,
Yeah.
and kind of got tired of it. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to do my own thing, you know.
He about like everybody else in the country got tired of being fucked over by Ford Giotto. Overpriced junk. You can't get any service. That was my deal with them. So that was what I had. Cause I bought a car that had them on it when I first got my red dog. It had them on it. I tried to talk to them, couldn't get no customer service. It was crazy. Center caps.
So, that's the only thing I outsourced it to somebody. They make
yeah.
this, and then of course,
Yeah, then you guys engrave it.
Right.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. So let's turn into that. There we go. And so you machine all your wheels to take this cap. Yeah. O-ring. O-ring fit.
Cheers. You can make your own wheels next time.
I gotta spend a few $100,000 in machines.
No, you just ask Mo if you can borrow his one time. Cheers. That wheel is almost bigger than that.
That could fit in that wheel.
We're scheduling it, make sure. So basically what we do, we just, whatever order comes, we just put it, you know, we go by the line. We don't go by the time. Most of the rims, some of them take an hour and a half. We need to run them in the daytime, you know. So that's why we need to schedule all that. And then everything we make is out of billet.
Right.
This is a 450 spinning cap, dually. Look at that.
Something sharp.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We make it out of black.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay, so he was trying to explain it. How do they spin? Like this.
Oh, the cap's gonna spin?
Yeah.
It'll go inside here, and this center cap will spin inside here.
So it floats basically.
Yeah, it's a floating cap. Floating cap.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But everything we make out of a pure aluminum.
And
Center.
that will go.
No, that's those are a new one. We did it, which is for regular wheels. But it's not an off-road wheel. Remember we had that big old cap in here? The zero?
The little bearing in there.
Got a bearing.
Oh, we put a wheel bearing on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Car bearing.
Everybody wants to know where Dax is. Show them where Dax is.
Here's where Dax is. He was gonna go with us, but we literally couldn't fit him in the car with all the tires. So he decided he wanted to stay with his Mimi, and she took him to Chuck E. Cheese. So that's where he's at today.
Me la pones tú acá.
Is you better? Is you?
Nah, it's buddy mine over there. Hey Ryan, you want to ask Sheriff for spoons?
It's like it needs.
Offset and everything looks good.
I know. They nailed it. Like, you know, a lot of times you get wheels and you're kind of like, I don't really know, but it's like, yeah, like we think. So whenever
whenever we take the donk next year, I told him I want to come down here and sit down with him. We're going to design a wheel for my donk.
Do you know how to do it, Ryan?
You did it right. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ryan, Cherish?
Yeah.
Mo, you want to get in here real quick with them?
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Once I get in, I just gotta take a couple more pictures of it.
You're good. You're good. We're just gonna take some pictures on the outside of Here, you Mo in the middle.
Come over, scoot over this way just a little bit so both of the wheels are in there. Yeah, that'll work.
Show wheels, huh?
There you go. Perfect. Cherish, what do you think?
You know, again,
Mo's the man, dude.
I do all this by myself. So let me see if I can afford it. I really want it. Your car and Sean's car. See if we can get a small spot. I don't want it big, you know.
I understand. Yeah. I think I can speak for Sean. I mean, we figured out. Love the car.
Well, Cherish, this is going to be our goodbye Corleone wheels. Love them.
Love them. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
They look great.
All right.
I don't know.
Corleone Forge wheels.
Sean,
Most custom.